High-quality renders of the Samsung Galaxy S8 Lite have surfaced, confirming the design of the device as well as at least some of the colors in it will come in. The renders feature the device's back in burgundy red and black. Sadly, no pictures of the front have surfaced yet. The Galaxy S8 Lite features a recycled Galaxy S8 design with a fingerprint scanner to the right of the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Lite is rumored to have a Snapdragon 660 chipset with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of expandable storage, a 3000 mAh battery and either a 16MP or 12MP camera on the back. The display is rumored to retain the Samsung Galaxy S8's 5.8-inch diagonal but step down to a 2220 by 1080px resolution. We hope it's a Super AMOLED unit. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Lite is expected to be announced in China on May 21.